Did you know that the Border Gateway Protocol, BGP, is the magic incantation that you need to deliver services at the edge? Well, you don't need to be a wizard to understand this today. Let's imagine you want some McNuggets. You know there's at least 30 or maybe 90 McDonald's within a quarter mile of wherever you are. But which one is closest? Unless you know, you may use Google Maps to help you out. It knows where you are, and it knows where all the McDonald's are. It can give you the quickest route from A to B. BGP is the Google Maps of the internet. It doesn't matter where you are or where your customers are. With the power of the internet, they can always access your website or your product. It might just take them a little bit longer if they're further away from where your servers or your applications are hosted. So to minimize that latency, you start deploying to multiple regions or even to edge locations. But now you've got 6 or 12 points of presence, but you've still got a challenge, you've still got a problem to solve. How do you route your customers, wherever they are, to your POP in the right region with the closest path? Now you can use BGP to do this. It provides the ability to have a single IP address and allow BGP to advertise different routes in different regions, much in the same way that Google Maps will route you from where you are to the nearest McDonald's. Now to do this, all you need is more points of presence, more POPs, at least 10 years of networking excellence, enough money to buy some IPv4 pools, your own autonomous systems, and even more money to bribe the other autonomous systems to peer with you.
Breaking news. ngrok's global load balancers provide everything you need to deliver low-latency services around the world with 8 POPs, including Asia, Australia, India, South America, and of course, North America and Europe. ngrok will handle the routing of requests to your edge services for you. Wow! You don't even need to geo-replicate your application to take advantage of lower latency due to ngrok's connection and module acceleration capabilities. Double wow. To sweeten the deal, if any of your edge locations are failing, ngrok will route requests for your service to the next closest edge. You're welcome. Get started with ngrok's global server load balancer today and keep your customers happy. Link to get started in the description below. Now, back to the studio.
All right, that's enough of the whimsical. Let's dive into the fun and get hands on keyboard. Here you will see I have 4 panes open in my terminal, 2 in the EU, 2 in the US. This is the simplest Dino application I can put together, where this one says Hello EU, and on the bottom it says Hello US. We can run both of these applications, and we could hit them on the public IP of each machine itself. However, we want to use ngrok and the global load balancer. For that, I can run ngrok tunnel, passing in a label I got from the ngrok UI, like so. I can do the same in the US. We can then head over to these tabs, where I can do a curl from the US box, and we get Hello US. From my local machine, I get Hello EU. Let's shut down the US tunnel. And now we get hello from EU. It really is that simple. Anyone can do it. Go check out ngrok.com today.